So yan ang ating pa-breakfast ngayon. Quesadilla, fruit, strawberry, and bananas. Well, of course, hindi kompleto ang breakfast ni Mami pag walang coffee. So meron tayong coffee, guys. Decaf coffee yan siya. And I like this Hershey's International Delight na pang mocha siya. Chocolate and caramel. So, welcome back to my channel. So, andito na naman tayo magpa-breakfast si Mami ngayon, guys. Meron tayong cereal, fruit, banana, strawberry, and of course, cheesy quesadilla. So, ayan siya. Quesadilla, guys, masarap siya. So, ito ang favorito ng pamilya. Yummy. And of course, sa umaga, meron tayong vitamin C. So, ngayon guys, ang aking banana, if they don't want to eat my banana, I will put that one in a Ziploc and toss it in my freezer. So, kinabukasan o mamayang hapon, pag frozen na siya, I don't need ice. Dahil frozen na siya. So, lagyan mo na lang siya ng milk and blend it. You have a very yummy smoothie. So, sa ating quesadilla dito ay frozen ito siya na tortilla. And I thawed it 2 days ago. Ang nilagay ko na lang siya sa refrigerator. And then, if you have can of kidney beans, white beans, or whatever beans na meron kayo dyan, bean soy, ayan, you have to mash that one, but remove the water, guys. Magluto ka ng spring onion. I-chop mo siya ng maliliit na spring onion. You cook that one with olive oil and add it to your mixture, bean mixture, and you add seasoning, guys, if you like. For me, it's just spring onion and black pepper. Ayan na, dahil si beans, it's salty na siya. So, ayan siya. You have to mash everything and cook it. Ito siya. Very simple lang siya. You can bring this one to your parties. You can serve this to parties. You can bring this one to your get-together somewhere or sa park with your kids dahil easy siya to prepare and hindi siya sloppy, guys. Dry siya. So, masarap siya pag mga camping. Ayan siya, guys. So, pag you make that one, it's very simple. It's up to you if chickpeas ang ilagay ninyo or lagyan ninyo na basta dry siya, guys. Basta dry siya. It's up to you kung anong ricado ilagay ninyo. Basta dapat didikit siya. If you want egg, guys, maybe it's up to you. You can do that as long as there's beans that there's a paste that stick together and you flip it over. And that's it. Very simple. You can serve this one for breakfast, lunch, in between, or snacks. And my family love this. Thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. So, hindi kompleto ang breakfast ni Mami, guys, pag wala siyang coffee. Yan si coffee, guys. HAB decaf coffee na yan siya. And I would like to add caramel and chocolate na mixture dyan para magiging mocha siya. So, iyan ang ating pa-breakfast. So, ang aking quesadilla, guys, special yan siya dahil nilagyan ko siya ng black pepper and cooked spring onion. And of course, dahil breakfast, kailangan natin ng fruits and vitamin C. Meron tayong orange juice. And sa mga taong hindi Filipino, guys, or will eat that, Thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell.